Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you my Hippo chocolate treat. These hippos are just so cute, and this DSP, which is the Gingham Cottage DSP, I absolutely love. So I went with this green one and I used the garden green and real red ribbon combo for this, and inside here is one of these. Now I have not had one of these for, I actually cannot remember when, and when I saw them in the shop I thought, well, that green is pretty good to go with this, although I think it might have been maybe more of the cucumber one that we had many years ago, or maybe just jade, but either way I still think it goes great with this, and it's just a cute little project. You just literally pull this out and the chocolate will slide out like so. So yeah, it's super cute, and like I said, I think it's really lovely, so I'm going to show you how to make it. And you only need a tiny piece of DSP. So, oh, I've got a sneeze coming, I do apologise. So you just need a piece of DSP that is 5 3/4 by 4.5, and that is 15 by 12.5 centimetres. On the long side, you're simply going to score at 1/2 inch or 1.5 centimetres. Rotate anti-clockwise, and we're going to score on the short side, yes. Long side, 1/2 inch, 1.5 centimetres. Short side, we're going to score at 1.5, 2, 3.5, and 4, and in centimetres that will be 4, 5.5, 9.5, and 11. Okay, you know the drill by now. Fold and burnish our score lines. This is a really lovely red as well. I'm sure it is just real red, but it is lovely. Okay. So once you've done your folding and burnishing, you can obviously see that this is simply going to fold up like so, and then you'll fold the bottom part up. So on that little thin strip that you've folded here, you basically need to separate all of the pieces. So cut up all of the vertical score lines, or the last one that you cut away. So that tiny little square is all you're cutting away. Okay, add your adhesive down your strip here, fold over and fold over, and it should just line up nicely, and then fold it back open. And I actually find sometimes it's easier, you can either fold one in and fold the side tabs in, but obviously sometimes you can see them, or you can cut wedges so that you can't, dependent on what you're putting inside, or you just pop them in like so, and then just a little bit of adhesive across this bottom piece, which is a little bit fiddly, but we get there. So that's that one. Then you need your crocodile or whatever hole punch you're using, and I actually found that you can punch the same hole on both sides at the same time, because you can just pinch and it doesn't damage the construction of the box. Just make sure you're not wonky, you are level, and then just go in with your crocodile and create your little hole. You then need your ribbon. So I have the gorgeous real red, as I say, from that combo, and this actually goes through both pieces like this. Give yourself a decent amount, and then get your chocolate bar and just slide it in. Make sure you don't lose this end, and tuck your chocolate bar in. If you need a bit more ribbon, you can just sort of give it a gentle pull, and there you have that part. So I'm just going to trim that off. Oh, my dogs will not stop barking today, and my daughter's in bed off a night shift. It's always the same, isn't it? Right, so nice little bow here. Oh my goodness, somebody else with a parcel. It's definitely one of those days today. So again, just make your nice little bow like so. Oh my goodness. Bear with me just 1 second. Are you alright just to leave it by the door? Yeah, no. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I just need to stop the dogs from barking. Hey, Daisy, Daisy, come on. It's okay. They just don't listen. They're typical little dogs that have to have the last word. Girls! Hey! Enough. Good girls. Okay, so decorative circle punch I think is really pretty. So I have some of my real red here. That's going to sit like so. And then I have some of my basic white for my hippest hippos. I'm going to stick with the cute little smiley one. And I'm going to stamp him in Memento. Like so. And then I have, where are they? Is that them? Just simply some grey granite blends and my no, not that one. I want my light pale pink, and I use this one just to create those little cheeks. So where are we? Dark. So this is really quick and easy, and the blends make it easy as well, but I literally just colour the outside part of my hippo in the dark blends, and then the light will do the tummy, the nose part, and just the bits of the face. Excuse me, I'm shaking because I'm rushing here. Okay, that's that bit done. Then I actually do the cheek parts now. They're a bit wonky, but they're okay. And then back in with the light, and I do just, oh my goodness, why do people have to slam doors all the time? And this kind of dulls that rosy cheek so that it doesn't stand out quite as much. And then that just does the belly, and I do the fingers and the toes, which I'm sure they're not called fingers and toes, but you know. And then just that last little bit, I actually do a little bit of pink in there. It's not as bright as that one. There we go. That's that part. Then the hippo dies, which are also sale-a-bration, and honestly, how many wonderful dies are there here? 19? Yes, 19 dies, which is just fabulous. So I want that, and I want that. Lots of options, and I can't wait to create some more. And I'm actually going to use green for the flowers. So just quickly back in with this. And that one lines up like so, and that just sits there. And whiz him through. Take those off, and those there, and then we can just build this up. So a couple of dimensionals on the back of my hippo. Which is just going to go, oh actually let's make sure we've got the pattern right. little bit of wet glue, I think, on here. Just a little blob of wet glue. And then add these cute little flowers. I mean, you could add gems to the centre of those as well if you wanted to. A couple of dimensionals on the centre. And then I just need my sentiment. Just a little bit of basic white here. My hippest hippos, and I'm going to go with the "Oh, you're the best," which I'm going to stamp in real red. Oh, I think my real red needs inking up, so it looks a bit dry there. And then the last bit is to just trim this down. Oh crumbs, why does that always happen? There we go. Take a little bit off the bottom. And this can then be stuck. Where's my seal gone? And I've left the bit at the top there because I actually want to tuck it under like so. And there we have it. That is my Hippo chocolate treat. Thank you for joining me. Have a fabulous day, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye.